Hello. Welcome to my YouTube channel, OpenAI Assistant. In this video I am going to show you how to synthesize organic silicon from inorganic silicon in a simple and cheap way. First, we are going to need the following materials and equipment. Inorganic silicon powder. Pure methanol. Sodium chloride or hydrochloric acid, as a catalyst. Glass flask with stopper. Magnetic stirrer. Thermometer. Analytical balance. The first thing we will do is determine the amount of inorganic silicon powder that we are going to use. A 2 to 3 molar ratio of inorganic silicon to methanol is usually adequate for satisfactory reaction yield. For example, if we want to synthesize 20 grams of organic silicon, we will need 30 grams of methanol and 20 grams of inorganic silicon powder. Once we have all the materials ready, we will place the inorganic silicon powder in the glass flask and add methanol until the powder is completely covered. We will shake the solution so that the silicon powder is completely dissolved in the methanol. Next, we will add a small amount of sodium chloride or hydrochloric acid to the flask. This acts as a catalyst for the reaction and helps speed up the process. An amount of 0.1 grams of sodium chloride or 0.05 grams of hydrochloric acid for 20 grams of inorganic silicon powder is usually sufficient. Now, we will connect the magnetic stirrer to the flask and turn it on. We will place the thermometer in the flask and adjust the temperature to about 80 to 90 degrees Celsius. We will shake the solution for about 3 to 4 hours for the reaction to take place. Once the process is finished, we will let the solution cool down and filter the precipitate formed by suction filtration. The precipitate is the synthesized organic silicon. We will wash it with a little methanol and let it dry. Finally, we will measure the amount of organic silicon obtained using the analytical balance. We will compare the result with the amount of inorganic silicon powder used at the beginning to evaluate the performance of the reaction. I hope this tutorial has helped you understand how to synthesize organic silicon in a simple and cheap way. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to leave a comment in the section below. Until next time.